Hello everyone, my name is Francesca. I am a material engineer and I joined Schneider Electric 2 years ago in quality as Advocate Customer Manager for Conselve Factory, leader for industrial cooling and air conditioning system typical for data centers. In my previous work experiences, I have developed specific skills in welding on the metal materials and customer relations. Thanks to Schneider Electric, I was able to fully express and apply my skill, also introducing and covering a new role that of welding and brazing coordinator, together with the problem-solving role, which covers a good part of my daily work. From one side, my role drives the production for the brazing weld activity, and on the other, to provide support to the client and site in case you have compliance related to the manufacturing process the unit delivered to customers. Furthermore, I am also responsible for the supervising and auditing Schneider Electric suppliers to guarantee the quality of the brazing and welding product according to specific standards. Therefore, my challenge is to guarantee the quality, the safety and reliability of our products through daily commitment, continuous improvement and innovation to fully satisfy customers. With my presentation, I can confirm that Schneider Electric gives you the opportunity to develop multi-job opportunities and express yourself personally, providing the tools to enhance your potential.